her favorites are like science and SSTs. Also, she likes SST very much. But yeah, she's enjoying.
सारी टीचर्स उसकी फेवरेट है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर टीचर. हाँ, लेकिन कविता मैम ज़्यादा है बिकॉज वो डांस सिखाती है इसलिए.
बीच में उससे मैंने बात भी करी थी कि तुम्हारा स्कूल चेंज कर दे, क्या आदत
नहीं,
नहीं बोलता नहीं
स्कूल नहीं चेंज करना. शी इज़ नॉट रेडी. वो यहीं पढ़ना है 12th तक.
One specific incident I would like to say that my son was not very confident in Hindi when he upgraded from 5 to 6 class. But teacher really helped him during the class that how to do the storytelling, how to read those books, Hindi books. And now we actually, now it's time that he's going into the grade 7. He feels very confident.
Yeah, so now she is a class teacher. And she class it's a motivating teacher. She never gives a negative feedback like to demoralize the child. She always keeps on making them to improve more and more day by day. So that is the positive point of this school teacher who teaches, and she's a class teacher on.
So social science wise, we all know that we have also gone through such kind of a study. So at that time, we also feel little bit boring about the social science and all that stuff. But the way you taught them, so she feel excited in early years. Yeah.
Ma'am, I was feeling very happy to come in senior wing. I have made new friends and meet new teacher, and senior wing teachers are nice and they teach more gratefully and with hard work.
Especially the class teacher who has always encouraged the students to participate in the various activities, ongoing activities of the school, from debates to playing sports.
I've seen a little difference, like before also the teachers were very helpful, and now also like there is not even once when I've approached the teacher and I've not got a reply, whether it be late, maybe a day after, but I have received response from teacher. And when the child is going from junior wing to 8, they only feel that we are going to the senior wing, and they have some maybe more responsibilities will come, maybe more pressure will come. But I feel my child never complained regarding this, that I'm feeling more pressurized, whether it be academics or whether it be the class environment, the peers and the teachers.
मैं टीचर की बात करूँ कि since January when they started and we started preparing for the board exam, even students were at home, she was continuously taking care of them by sending all this exam paper and monitoring them whether they are doing it or not. So I really liked it.
Probably the morning sports.
Morning sports, love it. 1 hour sports, kids love it.
That's the basic reason that we changed from Shriram Millennium to JBM. And the sports was the main things, that football and exposure and more get to play at. And ICC to CBSE was at the background too. These were the two prime reasons.
मेरी बेटी यहाँ पे second class में पढ़ रही है and is now CB 10th standard taking the board exam. Today is her English exam. And main reason why I chose this school was because of the sports activity that they had. Because my daughter loves sports, and in previous schools she was not getting that opportunity. And when we interacted a lot of different schools in Noida, and what good thing that we found about JBM, they have daily sports in the morning. This was the basic reason for choosing, because studies to हर जगह होती है, but this was something different that we found in JBM. That's why we put our daughter in this school, and she is doing really well.
When people ask ना, तो हम यही कहते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स डेली होता है. If your child is very love to fond play, तो आप उसको डेफिनेटली वहीं डालिए. तो हमारा एक मतलब मेन कंसर्न तो पहले यही होता है.
अभी हमारे वहाँ पे सोसाइटी में there are 5-6 children who come daily for playing in the evening.
हाँ.
बाकी they are various age के children हैं, लेकिन
They don't play actually.
कुछ आते नहीं, हो जाता है वीडियो गेम नहीं मिलता,
आते मोबाइल पे खेलते रहेंगे, बैठे रहेंगे.
तो ये चीज़ है कि एक स्पोर्ट्स खेलने का जो डेवलप हुआ है ना बच्चों के अंदर एक हैबिट.
Probably the new curriculum and the new tasks.
Don't be. that. You can say what you feel like. It does have to be a curriculum, like anything else.
Probably the new sports and tournaments that I'll get to play next year.
Anything. I'm just
Maybe will.
sports and they just come to school to play. The first period is the most important period. Everything else is in the background.
In my societies, I have seen so many parents से उनके बच्चों की यही कंप्लेंट होती है कि स्पोर्ट्स डेली नहीं होता है. तो वी आर लकी कि अगर JBM में डेली स्पोर्ट्स हो रहा है तो वो मेरी बेटी के लिए अच्छा है. बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं खेलती तो शी गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. वो फिर घर आके बिल्कुल क्रिप करती, क्या पढ़ाते ही रहते हैं पूरे दिन.
Children are so involved in so many activities that these days schools do. They hardly have focus on studies until the exams come. It becomes such a task for us.
And my overall experience in the school was amazing. All the teachers are great. They never let a doubt be unanswered. I've never been confused in a single topic in the school. The overall balance between academics and non-academics is great. You can participate in multiple competitions as well as academic competitions. You can do anything. If you like to play sports, you can play sports and play competitions in our school, such as the Avan and inter-school competitions. Or if you like academics, there are many competitions for academics for each subject, which is an overall great balance for people who both excel in academics and non-academics.
जैसे she performed in dances ना, तो काफ़ी एक्सपोजर मिला है. वो लेके जाती हैं कविता मैम कई जगह, तो वो बहुत अच्छा रहा है मेरी डॉटर.
उसका स्टेज पे
प्लस पॉइंट था उसके लिए. मतलब शी नेवर हेजिटेट टू परफॉर्म ऑन अ स्टेज. मतलब वो एक प्लस पॉइंट है उसका कि इतनी बार उसको पार्टिसिपेट करने को मिला है ना, तो वो एनर्जी और वो लेवल उसमें अब आ गया है. स्टेमिना है एंड परफॉर्म भी बहुत अच्छा करती, नो डाउट. तो
यहाँ जो अच्छी चीज़ लगी मैडम जो आपको, वो ये था कि अभी आपने वो एक आर्ट वाला प्रोग्राम किया था, आर्टिफैक्ट्स स्टूडेंट्स ने बनाए थे एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू सेल टू पेरेंट्स, राइट? अभी दो चीज़ें होती हैं जनरली. सबसे पहले तो स्टूडेंट्स जो बिल्कुल यंग है वो किसी चीज़ को बेच रहे, उसमें एक तो उनको शर्म लगती है. कैसे किसी को बोलेंगे नहीं आप तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट ले लीजिए, बिकॉज दे ऑल आर फ्रॉम गुड फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, राइट? सो एक बार उस तरह का जो हेजिटेशन है वो निकल जाना बहुत जरूरी है आपके ग्रोथ के लिए. फिर क्षितिज को मैंने देखा उसमें कि he was in charge of a couple of younger students and he was trying to tell them that how we will sail. So what is the way to approach whoever is coming, how to utilize their emotional part, how to sell your thing, to showing how it is different, how you can bring down the cost of something. So this is actually, it happens in real life. So that was something, another thing I really appreciate what I saw that day. I came and I spent a lot of money. Just because I went to each stall, I bought something. The only purpose was the way students, they were trying to sell their product, keeping all inhibitions, hesitations aside.
In fact, for one of the topic, he himself was doing some research on that particular topic at home. So that was very interesting. Not at this particular age, children go back to home and then they try to research for that particular topic.
Maybe a student is good in learning, मतलब उसका स्टडीज बहुत अच्छा होगा, बट उसका स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी डल होगा. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, उसको मोटिवेट किया जाता है कि नहीं तुम्हें स्पोर्ट्स में भी जाना है, तुम्हें म्यूजिक में भी जाना है, तुम्हें एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करना है. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं एक और परफॉर्मेंस निकल कर आती है. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एकेडमिक उसकी बाकी वो एक चीज़ और निकल कर आएगी, विच उसके पेरेंट्स को भी नहीं पता होता एट टाइम्स.
कि हाँ बच्चे में ये भी कैलिबर है या ये पोटेंशियल अगर हम और उसमें हैं और अगर इसको अच्छे से ग्रूम किया जाए तो he can perform much better in future in any other field as well.
And they give freedom to decide their own, make their own decisions. Get with the studies as well as
उसका directing skills बहुत improve हुआ है since last 1 year. He has started taking decisions. उसका class work, उसका homework, उसका learning वो खुद करता है.
2 years. So now, if I see the journey of Navya, so I am completely satisfied with the school. So school helps both ways. Like in academics, she did a wonderful job, and as well as in other curricular activities. Like she has participated in major events like musical instruments and the sports as well.
एक्टिविटी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं ना बच्चों के, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट वाला हो, MUL जो हुआ, या फिर अभी साइंस एग्जीबिशन हुई एरोनॉटिक वाली, उसमें बच्चों ने बहुत सीखा है. चाहे ड्रोन का इंटरनल टेक्नोलॉजी को अटैच करके उसे असेंबल करके ऑन करके सब कुछ वो सारा सीखा है बच्चों ने. एंड दे वर मतलब अच्छे से वो लोग एक्सप्लेन करते थे टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स. इट शोज देयर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, देयर नॉलेज लेवल. मतलब वो सब चीज़ निकल कर आ रही थी उन बच्चों में. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट माई चाइल्ड, इट्स अबाउट एवरी चाइल्ड परफॉर्म्ड इन दैट डे. इवन पार्लियामेंट का इसको एक भी कभी नॉलेज नहीं था, बट उसको कैसे हाउसेज में प्रेजेंट किया जाता है, कैसे आपको नो बोलना है, हाउ द डिबेट गोज ऑन, वो सारा उसको पता चला. तो स्कूल ने जहाँ भी कंट्रीब्यूट किया ना ये एग्जीबिशंस लगा के, वो टॉपिक्स इतने अच्छे होते हैं ना, which
that the teachers and the staff realize it's a lot of pain to groom them up, to grow them up in a good way. That's what we can say.
My favorite was the family day activity because I think this was the first time that the school conducted this activity, and matlab since ages I don't think I've played any sports or anything, but I was so happy to participate. Matlab my willingness was ki theek hai, I was working that day but still my child was nahi mama you have to come. So it is the effort from the child also and teachers also. They write so beautifully ki invitation hai and you must just experience the whole thing.
Responsibility, confidence above everything. The child when he is involved in lots of activities, he feels confident, and that is something inbuilt at this age. That one is shy, one is vocal. The shy one needs more focus, more attention, more responsibility for him to bring out the best in him. He wouldn't be comfortable speaking in public because that's his nature. But my job is to put him on spot and make him do something so that, and once or twice he does it, he'll be very confident that I also did it, and that sense that I also did it. Because it's not that he wants to be shy. He is shy. I need to give him opportunities to shine.
Man, any debate competition that ever comes my way, I need to participate in it. Any speaking competition, just anything that involves speaking, I really want to participate.
मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, वो मैम थी जो पढ़ाती, कोई फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू ही कराया गया था. यहाँ पे 5-6 बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, प्रकृति भी थी उसमें.
जिसको वो दिया था ना कुछ बिजनेस आइडिया,
उसको थोड़ा सा इंकरेज करके अगर हम आगे ले जा सके तो थोड़ा सा बच्चों के लिए और भी रहेगा, क्योंकि आजकल यही सब चीज़ें चल रही हैं.
स्किल डेवलपमेंट,
जॉब मेरा ये है कि अब बच्चों को ना जॉब के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं करना है. दे शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
Okay. Where the school theme was the spiritual one, Bhagavad Gita and all that. I have never seen such kind of things happened at the school level. So there is a conservation or something like that, but the school preferred that thing and also provide a kind of good education as well as our spiritual education apart from that to the students. So that's what I have liked more about the school. Yeah.
एक चीज पे फोकस नहीं करेगी, स्टडी अकेला, स्पोर्ट्स भी है और भी एक्टिविटी है.
She was very excited as far as this instrumental classes and all that stuff. She had learned very good drumming and all that stuff. She has participated in the school events. So that's what I've said, that she has got the overall development, not only like academics, that is one part, of course. Other things like in sports, she did well in basketballs and all that stuff. So school provided a good opportunity in this whole environment, she has got lots of opportunity to participate in different events. Yeah.
So those week when he came home, he was like exhausted. It's like, what is happening in the school? बहुत काम है, बहुत सारा है. We have to prepare this, we have to prepare that. मतलब, in spite of his being tired, I could feel the excitement and the like hard work that he was giving.
I would highly recommend JBM Global School.
Our ability to do anything, like there are so many ways. We have so many students in our school that both have excelled in academics, have gotten trophies, and are still scoring in academics. So both of them are participating in non-academics and academics, and I feel like that balance is what our school excels in. The balance to make both students excel in everything, in all categories of life. In that.
But when I saw my kids enjoying school, so I find there was some gap, which is getting fulfilled.
First of all, I never felt that teachers and parents and students are different. So it's like a family. Second is the one good thing which I like about JBM is that every student has to participate, and especially the sports part. Sports is something which build overall personality for everyone, and that is something. For my son at least, I can say that whenever he comes out of that sports, he wins something. His confidence is growing more and more.
That day we decided we are 100% going to listen.
I explored this. I explored Genesis. I explored Step by Step. I explored Mayur. I
Indraprasth also.
Indraprasth. So before, obviously, it is important for me to do all my due diligence. So मैंने सब किया था. Then I finally took up.
And the word actually Bhandari ma'am used for our son was very good. The day one she said, "Where's the joy?" Not even she was asking, "Where's the kid?" She was using, and this is what we feel about a kid. The same was what we were listening from somebody else.
Yeah.
So you feel no, they are
connect
going to take
care
care
at that time,
like
and
the
then
family
you're saying
only.
whatever you are actually doing. It's worth taking it.
But the thing is that so it's part of life. Again, I've been transferred. I'm expecting a transfer, so I have to move my family back to my hometown and there. But she will take back all the memories with her, and we are looking forward again. If I get the opportunity again to actually come in this location, I'll definitely. You have the universities and all that stuff, so I'll definitely prefer those universities. Yeah.
And the memory what I have that tells a lot. So he was in play school, and there was a sports competition in backside ground, and there was a running competition for those toddlers. So he was running, and of course he was far behind. So one of the teacher, if I recall correctly, when Mr. Prashar used to be there, so he held his hand and he completed that complete run, and they declared you are the winner. So for a young kid, they made sure that there should not be, he should not get demoralized that this is something, it's not of my trade. So that was the sweetest memory I still carry.
Like shooting. Because day one when he started wearing shooting here in the club, I said this was his first time actually. He never learned shooting in previous school. That was not a subject there. No, day one he started he shot at outside the side accuracy. And after that, day by day he increased, and at the end of by the month end, he shot at the same points.
So you improved himself.
Every second
was praised by the set of a teacher.
He was motivated by the teachers here, and he achieved that level. He met that expectation of teachers.
So I've seen my elder son growing up. I'm seeing my younger son growing up. So all thanks to JBM for whatever they have done for my children. Yeah.
See, I would like to go couple of years back when probably JBM was started, just 1 or 2 years. So I transferred to Noida and I was to admit my daughter somewhere. So she was at Lucknow and I asked her principal, do you know some good school at Noida where I can go and approach? And principal said, sir, what is your preference? You want a big school, means a school with big fame, or you want a true school? So I said, of course, my preference is true school, not a big school. So without any doubt, she said, you go and try at JBM. Though it's a new school, but I would suggest you please go there. So first of all, when some educationist is saying, so there was nothing else in my mind, but I asked her that why you are saying like this? So she said, they are the people who run a Bal Mandir. So the basic concept of schooling, I believe this is the institution they must be knowing. So I came to Noida, I got my daughter admitted, and I find it's true. So the main thing I would like to tell all parents, if you really want to looking for a true schooling, then this is the place.
When he reach home, there's a communication of 10 minutes once he reach home, that whatever he has happened in the school. Then when I come from office, he speaks with me. So today, my ma'am appreciated my work, or whatever he does. I got involved in this activity. Now there is competition coming. So these conversation actually makes you feel more closer to the real world. So that is how the JBM is accomplished. It's like a kind of accomplishment. So that is what we look forward to as a parent.
Why should I recommend? Because of discipline, because of good education. ठीक है ना, in this environment in the school is wonderful.